Hello everyone. No rain today. Mr. Big Bully Ruby sitting on his favorite place. And then where is Juju? Juju is exploring there, top of the tree. There. And kikes are where? I don't know if you can see the kikes, but yeah, those are the kikes. Juju, come here. Come here. No. No. Juju, come here. Mr. Big Bully, what do you do? What are you doing, huh? You're molting, you're bald. You're an old man now. Let me scratch it for you. Let me scratch it for you. I want to scratch it for you. I want to scratch it for you. Vicious attack. Vicious attack. Oh. Vicious attack. You're always itchy. Get it? Go to car wash. You hate baths. What should I do? What should I do? You hate baths. What should I do? Show me your wings. Show me your wings. Show me. Ooh, big wings. The other one. Ooh, big wings. Tail. Ooh, big tail. Juju, be jealous. Juju. Okay, bye everyone.